This island was completely silent just a few weeks ago. No birds, no noise, nothing but bare trees. But a few months ago, it was one of the most chaotic, noisy, and fascinating wildlife spectacles I've ever witnessed, right here in Pennsylvania. And it's about to happen all over again, because they're coming back. This island sits just below Safe Harbor Dam on the Susquehanna River. And if you've seen my overview video of the Safe Harbor area and Trestle Bridge and Trail, you know what a remarkable stretch of river this is. But this island holds a special secret. It's home to one of the most impressive bird rookeries in the region, shared by Great Blue Herons and Double-Crested Cormorants. A rookery is a nesting colony where these birds return to the same spot, often the same trees, year after year to raise their young. Islands like this one are perfect, isolated from ground predators, close to food, and with plenty of tall trees for nesting platforms. What makes this rookery especially interesting is that two very different species share it. Great blue herons, the tall stately birds most of us know, nest alongside double-crested cormorants, with their distinctive hooked bills and prehistoric look. They're not exactly friends, but they've worked out a kind of territorial truce up in those treetops. Just recently, I was at Safe Harbor and spotted the first great blue herons arriving back at the island. There's something almost magical about seeing that first bird land in a tree that was empty just days ago. It's like flipping a switch. Suddenly the season has begun. And then I got incredibly lucky. I witnessed and filmed a pair of great blue herons mating right here on the island. Mating in herons is a whole ritual. The male works hard to win a female's approval, and once they bond, they'll work together all season, raising their young. Over the coming weeks, I'll be keeping a close eye on the rookery as more birds arrive, nests get rebuilt, and eventually, eggs hatch and chicks appear. If you want to follow along, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss those updates. Here's how busy it was last year. If you want to explore the Safe Harbor area yourself, the Trestle Bridge and Multi-Use Trail gives you a beautiful vantage point. Check out my overview video linked in the description. It's one of my favorite spots on the Susquehanna. Thanks for joining me at the Rookery, and I'll see you Sunday for my weekly rewind.